Kolbe electrolysis reaction. So under this reaction, this takes place in the strong base KOH, potassium hydroxide in the electricity. So under electricity, what will happen? So normally they will make a free radical mechanism. So hydrogen will be released, and this CO2, the CO will convert into carbon dioxide. So this is the basically procedures. So in this case, the product will be your. So this will convert to free radical. So this will be your carbon, hydrogen. So this methyl group will be this side. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is the 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is a free radical. This is a free radical, and this will be converted into minus 2 CO2. So this will make a product like this one. So this is the one major product of these reactions. So under this reaction of electrolysis and in strong base, see Na will be come out, and this will convert into 2 free radical. Now this 2 CO2 will be released as a gases. So we can write here minus 2 CO2, and a major product will be your. So these two will combine together here. So one possibility is this finally convert into 2 free radical. So there is a possibility of 2 product. So one product will be your. So these two will combine together like this one. A second product will be your. So they will make this bond. There will be 2 like this molecule, and it will make a product like this one. So this product is a minor product, and this will be your major product. So this is the reaction of, this is the product of this reaction. So under this these 2 CO present as same carbon. So again this will this 2 CO will be released as a CO2, and there will be 2 molecules CO2. So this will get 2 free radical. So it will convert into finally 2 free radicals. So there is a possibility of 2 compounds. So one will be your like this one. One product will be your this one. So this will ultimately convert into, we can write here 2 product is there. So we can write this product and double bond. This will be double bond, and again we can write here 1. And one possibility is that, so this is convert into this is your benzene mechanism. This is your not benzene, this is benzene. So benzene is not possible because this is a unstable compound. This is a totally unstable compound. So this product is not possible. So only this product is possible. This is the answer of this question. So this is a reactant on electrolysis. What will happen? This 2 CO2 will be released as a CO2 gas under free radical mechanism in presence of a strong base, and this CH2 will be getting 2 free radical this side and this side. There is a possibility of alkene. So you can see this one alkene, and one more possibility also there. So let us see product. So this is the same structure, disodium succinate. So on electrolysis, this will give you negative charges. Then on at anode, this will come to anode, and they'll convert into free radical plus 2 electrons released out. This 2 will be converted as a minus CO2. So on coming CO2, so what will happen? So we can see here. So this will convert into free radicals. So there is 2 possibility. One possibility is this one, and one possibility this one. So this will be your minor product, because these 2 free radicals are very near to each other. So there is a less chance of this product, there is more chance of this one. So this is a major product, this is a minor product. So we can see properly. See here, major, minor. So we can see there are 2 compounds Na under electrolysis in presence of strong base. So what will happen? See this product. So this is the process. So under electrolysis, 2 sodium released. This will convert into anion, and this anion will attracted towards the anode. So oxidation will occur. It will convert into free radical. Then these free radicals are unstable. So immediately what will happen? This will convert into carbon dioxide, 2 molecules carbon dioxide. Now this free radical will convert into, so this is double bond. So there will be chance of triple bond. there is one more. This is the one path. This is the one path. So there is a next path. This is next path, path number 2. This is the path number 1. So path 1 ethane is there, and path 2 the 2 double bond will dimerize. So you will get here cyclobutadiene. So this is your minor product. So there are two possibilities, path 1 and path 2, minor and major. So again two compound is there. This is the carbon, and again this attached with the CONA and COK. So in presence of electrolysis, or you can say in water, so what will happen? A, and after that if you use Cr2O3, Al2O3, so this is a reagent, or you can use selenium or palladium or platinum. So at 600 degrees centigrade, so you will get the product B. So let us see the mechanism. So this mechanism actually, it is an example of intramolecular Kolbe reactions. So how intramolecular Kolbe reactions? See here. So on electrolysis, sodium will come out. So we can write here 1 sodium 1 potassium. So this will convert to negative charge anion. So this anion will oxidize at anode. So on getting anode, this will convert to free radical, and 2 electrons will comes out, and this will convert into 2 gases. So again we have 2 free radicals like this one. So this will attach and make this compound. So this compound is your dihydroanthracene. So this is the product A. Now product B, so you have to use the Cr2O3, Al2O3. So this will aromatize and we get the product anthracene. So anthracene is the product B. So this is the reactant, and you have to do electrolysis, so you will get product. So definitely this 2Na will come out, is converted to anion. So this anion will oxidize at the anode. So oxidation takes place at anode. So this will convert into free radicals. So this will be free radical, this will be free radicals. So there is a two possibility. Let us see this mechanism properly. So same things, under electrolysis, this CO2 will be this 2CO will be released as a CO2 compound, and this will convert into 2 free radicals. So this is not possible. So because this will be your highly unstable because of angle strain. So you can write here angle strain. Because of angle strain, this will be your highly unstable. So what will happen? Rearrangement will take place. So this is a 2 molecule, this one. So 1 to methyl shift. So methyl will shift to this side. So when methyl will shift to this side, so what will happen? This free radical will be coming to this side. So you can see here. So when this free radical come to this side, so this will be your free radical, and two free this is tertiary free radical is more stable than this one. The 2 free radical will join together, and this will form this compound. So this compound is your 2-methyl butane. So ultimately this is our major product. So this is our answers of this question. So this is our reactant. Oxidation at anode take place, then what are the products? So we have to find out. So definitely this will convert into 2 product. So one product will be your CH2 free radical, and this is your CH3. So now here we have different type of possibility. So if you take only this possibility, like here C, and one is a free dot and this is O. So what will happen? This will combine also this one. So when this will combine with the C2H5 free dot, so we will get compound like this one with oxygen and O C2H5. So this is the ester compound. One possibility, so this can be combined 2 different ways. So one, suppose this is undergo dimerization. So if undergo dimerization, so what will happen? So there will be 2 molecules of this will combine together, so we will get product butane. This is your butane product. One possibility is that it will undergo disproportionation. So one is your disproportionation. So under this disproportionation, this will convert into 2 product. Either this will be your C2H6 or this will be your C2H4. So 2 different product can be possible from this compound. So these are 2 different product. One is alkane and one is alkene. So this is the answer of these questions.